Hi, I'm Joni from OneDishKitchen.com, your #1 source for single serving recipes. And today we're making a deep dish chocolate brownie for one.
For this recipe, you will need 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. Whisk together the sugar, flour, and cocoa powder in a small bowl until it's thoroughly combined. Add in 1 large egg yolk, melted butter, a half of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir with a spoon or a rubber spatula to combine. Be careful not to overmix. Fold in 1/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Pour the batter into the prepared ramekin and spread it into an even layer. Heat the oven to 350 degrees. Bake it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the brownie from the oven and let it cool for 5 minutes before enjoying.
Okay, so we've taken the brownie out of the oven and it smells amazing. It's got a wonderful crispy kind of topping and let's see, a nice warm gooey center. Oh, look at that chocolate. We want to take that up a notch. Let's add a little bit of vanilla ice cream. So I'm going to put a scoop of vanilla ice cream on top. Boy, not that it needs it, but can't go wrong with vanilla ice cream on top of a chocolate brownie. Oh boy, heavenly. So let's just see this. See if I can get a good piece of that chocolate brownie in there. Look at that. Oh, and it's so warm. It just melts the ice cream. Let me take a taste. Okay, yeah. It's when he comes from behind the camera to take a nice taste.
Oh, it's really good.
Warm and gooey and amazing. I think we need to make another one.
Definitely.
Here are a few expert tips. Be careful not to overbake the brownie. Leaving the brownie in the oven for much longer than the recommended baking time can lead to a dry, overbaked brownie. The brownie will continue to firm up as it cools. You can find these tips and many more on our website. Just click the link in the description.
Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to follow, like, and subscribe to see all of our videos. You can find the recipe for a deep dish brownie on our website. The link will be in the notes. And just enjoy.